Okay, Linda. I have already downloaded these Open Office into my computer, and that's what you need to do. I'll give you the link. Laura gave it to me. This is what she uses. So here we go. Go down here to the bottom left where your little window pane is. Open it up, and then here is your Open Office. Just click open that. And you want to go to spreadsheet right here, and here is your spreadsheet. This looks pretty well, everything like what my Excel looks like. So this is what we are going to use. And your first column is going to be your names, and your next column on this one, because it's a high score, we only ask for your current score. So right now we're going to go ahead and put the current score, so when we start collecting the ending scores, we can compare the two and just make sure that the current score is not used, okay? So this one is going to be name here, and this is going to be the current. Okay, on column A, which is your name, you've got some long names that you're going to have to add in. So I want you to hit the A like this, and you see this little plus sign? I want you to move it over to the right. So here's your A. Go to the first line, get a plus. You're going to left click, in other words, bring it down, and you can move it wherever you want to move it. And on your B, this is just a score, so we'll just open it up a little bit wider just to give it some little extra room, because this is all going to be centered in here. So go down to number 3, and that's where you're going to start the first name. We always skip one line here. For right now, let's put this down to the bottom. Just minus it out, and it's going to come down here to your bottom. Let's go over, we're in the Bubble Witch Saga, we are at the pinned post. This is where everybody is going to be putting, or is putting, their current scores. Just keep hitting view comments until it brings you all the way to the top. What you need to do is compare what Vicki and every member writes up here where it says start score. This is 106040. You want to make sure it is 106040. If you can't see that, all you have to do is click on it, and you have 106040 and 106040. And then X off of that, go to the next one, and you have Maryland. It's 101235, 101235, X off that. And you keep going down, move this over a little bit more, keep going down and you check every one of them. Ruby's 190, 130, 190, 130. Every now and then you'll see somebody that'll maybe put in 19310, just get their numbers mixed up. And if so, then all you do is come down here and write the correct number, 130, 190, 130. And that way Wendy and I and so forth will be able to see it and know that it has been checked. So, okay, so you have gone down all the way down and you checked them out. All the numbers are correct. So let's go back up to the top, come down to the bottom. You'll see the little blue. You can't see it here because the screen doesn't go down that far. But at the very bottom, the little blue one where it says Open Office, click on that and you're back up here. So just move it over a little bit here. Come back to this page. On this page, on your top, come over here with me on the top right corner. You see this little page thing right here? I want you to click it. It's going to make your page smaller. See, now you have a little bitty page over here. And goodness, they won't stop talking, will they? And so what we're going to do is we're going to have two pages open next to each other. That way you don't have to go in and out of the tab here and then come over here, write the score, and then go back over here and blah, 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 blah. So let's put the first name, that's Vicky. Oh gosh, can't even type, can I? Oops, I have caps, that's why. Okay, Vicky Murray. And her score is 106,040. Come back down. The next one is Maryland. WYSOCKI. And it's 101,235. And the next one is Ruby Anderson. And it is 190,130. Let's do one more. Edith Bowl. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Edith. Edith Bowl. And it's 98,650. Anyway, you go all the way down, and as you go, you hit a like, and then you hit a like. And on Ruby Anderson 190,130, you hit like. That way, darn it, that way you hit it and you know that you've already put your score down. Edith Bowl 98,650, you hit like, and you know that you've already collected that score. That's how you keep track. Go on down, Karen Halliday. Let's go ahead and put her in. And her score was 930. And we've hit like. And anyway, you go on down. And as you keep going, just hit like as you progress. You can go back and double check your scores and double check your typing, see if it's correct. And it's Vicky Murray, 106,040, Marilyn Wasowski, 101,235. It's all in order, so it's easy to do. So then, once you get everything collected as far as you can, then you go up here to File, Save As. I put mine in Documents. And you do your file name, level 67, so you'll know what you're looking at, and save it. I'm not going to save it because I already have one filled out that I have already started right here. So I'm not going to put in another one. But you would just hit save and that will save it for you. And then once you're through, just hit the minus and it's going to throw it down to your bottom down here. So hit it down here. And then all you have to do is come back up here and hit this little square and it'll put your page back to normal for you. So I think as of right now, let's just go ahead and let you start collecting everything current. I'll make another video for your next step, okay? Let me know if you have any problems whatsoever or questions.